Hello, hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to Englatoon, your friendly place to learn simple English in a clear and fun way. I'm Utrice, your teacher, and today we start a very special two-part episode with even more English to help you improve your speaking step by step. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow Englatoon for more easy English lessons. Really, go ahead and subscribe now. It helps a lot.
Hi, everyone. I'm George, and I'm very excited to learn today. I like speaking slowly, clearly, and step by step. So this podcast is perfect for me. And for you, too.
Yes. Today, in part 1, we will learn useful everyday expressions in English. Things like asking for permission, saying sorry, asking for explanations, inviting someone to a party, introducing yourself, giving simple welcomes, thanking people, and many other phrases American native speakers use every single day.
And we will also talk about some common mistakes beginners make. I make mistakes all the time, so I want to learn how to fix them.
Perfect! Making mistakes is normal. Learning how to correct them is what makes you better. So, are you ready?
Yes, teacher. Let's start.
Let's begin with introductions because this is the first thing we normally say when we meet someone. A simple and common introduction in English is, "Hello, my name is." "Hi, I'm."
Very simple. For example, hello, my name is George.
Exactly. Many beginners forget to say my and say, "Hello, name is George." That is a common mistake. You must say, "My name is." Practice moment. Now you, listening at home, repeat after me. "Hello, my name is." Very good. Now say your name. "Hello, my name is." Your name. When you want to know another person's name, you can ask, "What's your name?"
Or more formal, may I ask your name?
Yes, very polite. Beginners sometimes say, "How is your name?" but that is incorrect. The correct way is always, "What's your name?" Now let's learn how to ask for permission. In English, the most common expressions are, "Excuse me," "Can I?" "May I?" More polite.
For example, excuse me, can I sit here?
Perfect. Very natural. Another useful sentence, "Excuse me, may I ask a question?" Many learners say, "Sorry, can I pass?" when they want to walk by someone. But sorry is not the best word here. The natural expression is, "Excuse me."
So I should say, excuse me, can I pass, please?
Exactly. Practice moment. Repeat after me. "Excuse me. Can I sit here? May I ask a question?" Great job. Many beginners say, "I'm apologize." That is incorrect. You should say, "I apologize," or "I'm sorry," but never "I'm apologize." That mixes the two forms incorrectly.
I used to say that. Now I know the difference.
Practice moment. Let's practice. Repeat. "I'm sorry."
I'm sorry.
"I'm really sorry."
I'm really sorry.
"I apologize."
I apologize.
Great. When you don't understand something, you can say, "Can you explain that, please? What does that mean? Can you repeat, please? I don't understand."
I use, can you repeat, please, all the time.
Good. It's very natural. Beginners often say, "Repeat again," but that is unnecessary. If you ask someone to repeat, it is already again. The correct form is simply, "Can you repeat, please?" Practice moment. Repeat after me. "Can you explain that, please?" "What does that mean?" "I don't understand." Yes, good. Now we learn how to invite someone to do something. Useful phrases. Would you like to? Do you want to? More casual. How about?
For example, would you like to go for a walk? Do you want to watch a movie?
Good examples. Also, how about going to the park? Many beginners say, you want go to park? This is missing some words. The correct form is, do you want to go to the park? Now repeat. Would you like to? Do you want to? How about? Great job. In the United States, invitations to parties are simple and friendly. Some natural phrases are, I'm having a party. Would you like to come? You're invited. It starts at, example, I'm having a party on Saturday. Would you like to come?
Beautiful. Very natural.
Beginners often say, I do a party, but the correct verb is have. I'm having a party, not I'm doing a party. Practice moment. Repeat after me. I'm having a party. Would you like to come? You're invited. Beginners sometimes say, no, I don't want. This sounds rude and incomplete. A polite no needs more words, like, I'm sorry, I can't. Maybe another time. I'd love to, but I'm busy. Practice moment. Beginners, repeat after me. I'm sorry, I can't. Maybe another time. I'd love to, but I'm busy. Excellent. Let's learn how to say yes politely. Yes, I'd love to. Sure. That sounds great. I'd be happy to.
Example. Yes, I'd love to go to your party. Practice moment.
Repeat after me. Sure. That sounds great. I'd love to. Beautiful. Thanking people is very important in English. Here are common phrases. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I appreciate it. It sounds very polite.
Common mistake. Beginners sometimes say, thanks for you. That is wrong. The correct structure is, thank you for, or thanks for. For example, thanks for your help.
Practice moment. Repeat. Thank you. Thanks. I appreciate it. Thank you for your help. Nice work.
Welcome. Welcome to my home. Welcome to the party. We're happy to have you here.
Like when someone comes to your house, welcome, come in.
Exactly. Let's review a few typical mistakes. Confusing sorry and excuse me. Forgetting to after want. Wrong, I want go. Correct, I want to go. Using the wrong verb for parties. Do versus have. Dropping key words. My name is.
It's good to see these step by step.
Now let's review what we learned today in part 1. How to introduce yourself. How to ask for permission. How to say sorry. How to ask for explanations. How to invite someone. How to invite to a party. How to politely say no. How to accept an invitation. How to thank people. How to welcome someone. Common mistakes to avoid.
George, we practice many simple sentences with repetition.
Yes, repetition is very important. And remember, speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Thank you for listening to part 1 of this long and complete Inglitoon podcast episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss part 2, where we continue with more phrases, more daily expressions, more practice, and more real English for beginners.
See you soon in part 2. Bye-bye.